And I know you talk a lot about outcome-based and gain share model. Why is that?
Yeah, so this is a very simple way to again avoid all those pitfalls and basically allow a company to really focus on the result, right? The way I believe makes sense is to and by the way, other industries are doing that already for decades, right? I mean, give you an example. If you are going to hire a lawyer, most likely you're going to have a gain share model where the lawyer is going to ask, I don't know, 10-20% of whatever you're going to make by winning. So the point here is, I think this is a very healthy approach. Not only it is de-risking the company that is basically investing money, because instead of paying upfront for technology, paying upfront for people, and hoping / praying that something will happen, they have a way to contractually have some sort of security, meaning result have to be there, outcome has to be there for the provider to be fully paid. So I think this is very healthy. And at the same time, it's also forcing everyone to not make the technology mistake, meaning to really articulate clearly what is the expected outcome, to try to put a rough order of magnitude around that impact, whether it is going to be at the bottom of the P&L, whether it's going to be at the top of the P&L, whether it's going to be both, because you can not only improve cost, but you can also improve quality, satisfaction, and revenue while you improve cost. This is doable. And the point being here is, I think having this outcome-based approach is really helping everyone visualize why we do this, and it's also forcing everyone to naturally collaborate, because now everyone has the same goal, everyone has the same understanding of what the output, what the result should be.